Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a croissant out of Play-Doh. Start by conditioning the clay until it is soft and even, then divide it into 3 equal portions and roll each into a thin oval. Layer the ovals slightly overlapping, roll from the wide edge toward the tip, and shape the classic crescent by curling each end inwards. Finish by adding gentle texture with a toothpick and let your creations dry or chill briefly. Begin shaping by pressing the stacked ovals together with gentle, even strokes so they bond without distorting layers. Keep your fingers clean and use a small rolling pin or bottle to maintain consistent thickness. When you roll toward the tip, apply steady pressure to avoid air pockets and create a smooth outer surface. Curl the rolled dough into a crescent and tuck the tips under slightly for a bakery-style look that feels authentic and cute. Quick recommendation: if you like keeping craft supplies neat, try leak-proof containers designed for meal prep that seal tightly and stack nicely. They keep Play-Doh fresh, prevent color mixing, and make cleanup faster, which means more crafting and less stress. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can share more tips and projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To finish, gently add texture to mimic flakiness by scoring shallow, curved lines across the top with a toothpick. Blend any harsh seams with a barely damp fingertip, then refine the crescent shape and pinch the ends to hold form. If you want a baked appearance, soften a small amount of pastel chalk and dust lightly for warm golden tones. Allow the Play-Doh to set or chill so details remain crisp and your croissant stays perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.